Welcome back to Quick Point Tech. Today we'll show you how to create stunning, professional logos in a matter of seconds using AI. Yes, you heard that right, and the best part, it's completely free. So, whether you're a small business owner, a startup, or just someone looking for a cool logo for your personal brand, this video is for you. Before we dive into the exciting logo creation process, let me introduce you to our secret weapon, picsart. It's an AI-powered design tool that makes the logo creation process a breeze. You can access it for free right on their website. Step 1. Head over to the picsart.com AI website. Don't worry, I'll have the link in the video description for your convenience. Once you're there, sign up for a free account if you haven't already. Now click on Start for free and follow the next process. After getting your free trial, head over to Generate Images with AI tab. This tool will turn a text description into an image. Enter the prompt of any logo you desire. In this case, I will be entering stunning beauty salon sketch logo. After generating the logo, you can add text using Helvetica, Avenir, or any other font you desire. If you don't prefer this way, you can try the AI logo generator. Head over to More Tools and click on AI logo generator. Enter your brand name and choose color style. Select your industry and generate the logo. Once you're satisfied with your logo, simply download it. But before we wrap this up, here are a few tips and tricks to make your logo creation even more successful. Keep it simple. A minimalist design often works best. Test various color combinations. Experiment with different colors to see what works for you. Make it versatile. Ensure your logo looks good on different backgrounds and platforms. Consistency is key. Make sure your logo aligns with your overall branding. A stunning, professional logo created in just seconds with Picsart AI, and it didn't cost you a dime. The power of AI in graphic design is truly amazing. Don't forget to check out the link in the description to get started. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.